What's going on, guys? My name is Lextasy and I'm here with my buddy Joey today and his 1400 horsepower GTR. Alright guys, this is probably one of the best days of my life. I mean, I'm so thankful that Joey is my buddy here. He lives not far from me and I didn't even know that. I thought he was literally like in Florida or somewhere, but turns out he's only like 2 hours away and he's got a 1400 wheel horsepower GTR here. I'm talking like, picture this. This is 3 times the horsepower of my GTR and he's dailing it. Like he literally drives it on the road. First off, it's a pleasure to have you.
Man, I appreciate it.
Tell me a little bit about it, man. Like literally go over everything. I want to hear everything about this car.
So, I actually bought it from a guy who, that's what he does. He does custom paint work and he owned the shop. It was called the Magic Garage in Florida. Edgar Soto, got to give him a shout out because that's who got my car up from. But
nice.
He actually already did the paint job. So when I originally got it, it was my dream car. I wanted a GTR, but I more or less wanted a show car. So I was into the show car scene. I was into stereos. I was into systems. I had never raced in my life. And I think it showed when I first started racing because I was getting killed. So when I first got it, I did a lot of upgrades. I went called Speed by Design and I upgraded the headlights. I had to have the lightning bolt headlights. I actually had some 20-inch rims. Obviously with the horsepower level, that doesn't work anymore. I had Chris from Flyride make me these custom taillights. So, you know, I still got that show car.
Oh my God. That is sick. And that's not like the camera doing anything. That's literally him controlling those remote taillights right now.
Yeah, this is kind of in show mode. So my taillights just kind of do their thing. So if I just pull up at night or there's a meet, I'll just leave they'll just start going crazy. But also, the cool thing is it's on a little remote. If I'm using my turn signal.
Yep.
So originally wanted, you know, this show car, the tail lights, the look. And then I just got bored. I was racing everybody. Oh, you got a GTR, let's race.
Yep.
So I was losing races. Hellcats and everything was just beating me. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I got a pretty car, but let's make this thing fast. So the car now, William Taylor at Go Turn Stop in Charlotte put the motor together, installed the transmission for me. The transmission is a Shep 1K with drag pack, which is perfect for my power level. It's got a T1 brace and all that. I pulled the motor out, stripped it all the way down to the block. Aluminum pistons, aluminum rods. I do have the stock crank, so I'm limited. Turbos are the ETS Pro 1700.
Jesus.
So I think they're twin 64s.
Oh my
62s
God.
or 64s, I can't remember.
How about the lag? Pro. There's got to be lag.
So the lag, there is some lag on the takeoff, but not bad. I mean, I felt more of an instant power when I was running the Alpha 9 turbo kit. I felt more of an instant, but this just never stops pulling.
How big are the injectors?
So the injectors on this, I've got 3 525 fuel pumps. The bottom rails are 1100 cc injectors. And then I'm not sure when the top rails kick in, but the top rails are 1700 cc injectors. Oh. So if you combine them, we got 2800 cc's injector. The heads are actually Alpha Omega heads.
Oh wow.
So the heads were completely built. They can hold 2,000 horsepower. I know this is gonna sound bad even on that. I've never put anything but ethanol in it. So I don't know what to expect if I ever put 93 in it.
Keep in mind, guys, this is still a V6. It's not even bored out or anything. And you're talking 1400 wheel horsepower. I'm not going to put the dyno up there because I don't know if he wants me to show exact numbers, but that is insane, man. You're talking like a V6 killing Lambos. Screw Lambo, I mean anything.
I've had 2 Lambos. I actually have a Mclaren 720S, which is one of the fastest cars in production, under $1 million. And my GTR will walk off and leave it.
You got to show me that Motec. That's $10,000.
So this is a Motec C1212. The cool thing about the C1212 is there is no check engine light. So right now it's telling me, you know, the oil pressure warning. and now it's warming up.
Wow.
But as you see, my ethanol content is right here displayed.
Oh, that's awesome.
I can see what map I'm on, how much boost I'm making, how much torque my engine is going, my G-force, my fuel level, which will definitely have to go get some fuel, and then the oil pressure, which kind of cranked up there. It's at 30 psi when it first cranks up. But cool thing is, this is completely customizable screen.
So while you got the car on, can we get a little rev out of it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All right. So when I said rev, I didn't know it was gonna be like eardrums blowing out.
So you see the kind of jerkiness of the transmission. That's not nothing. That's just barely getting on it.
You said that's map 3?
Map 3.
Yo, I couldn't touch the dashboard.
Yeah, that's not really anything.
Oh my god. I'm legit scared right now. I kid you not. I've been in some fast vets. I've been in everything. That is insane. Just perfect dead hook.
Yeah, windows down, AC. The transmission's a little jerky.
Oh my god.
So I mean, you get kind of used to it, but
dude, what? That's map 3 and you got what, 5, 6 more maps to go?
yeah, it goes to 8.
Imagine no lag on 64mm turbos.
Oh yeah.
2 of them. Holy and 40 to 50 psi just hits instant.
Oh yeah.
How is your drive shaft? How is your transmission?
Okay, so the transmission is let's say the Shep 1K, so it's pretty good. And I think the torque level is a little lower. 1,080 foot-pounds.
Only.
And now the axles are all DSS Pro 5 axles.
Okay,
all the way around. So the axles are good. I actually had to change out all my lug nuts. So I had to upgrade the lug nuts too, just so from a dig they don't snap.
Mine feels like a Prius now. It just keeps going.
And I want to give a shout out because I know we're filming. This is one of my car lots right here.
Oh, nice.
Stop Automotive. If you are in the market for a car, truck, SUV, wondering how I make my money, I am one of the cheapest around, and I can promise you that. Here's an example. We're right by, and I have to promote myself, right?
That's right. That's right.
2015 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, $22,000.
What? For a Rubicon?
A Rubicon, nothing wrong. 2 owners, 0 accidents.
Wow, okay.
It'll probably be gone by the time this is posted because I'm just that cheap. So,
yeah, guys, I'm going to post a phone number and address and everything for the dealership that he owns. Guys, check it out. Definitely. I mean, that was a nice Rubicon. I'm not going to lie. That white one was sick. That's clean. So on this car, how is the torque split? You know, that 50-50 or how is it? It's still
the same. Yeah.
Wow.
Motec controls everything. Because when you do Motec, it's not just a tune.
What about the harness for? Is it plug and play or what? Like whenever, or do you have to actually, solder, or I don't know how they do it?
I don't know. That's why I paid Top Speed the big money.
That's right.
And I like Forge too. Don't get me wrong. Sharif, that's
awesome dude, man.
I have nothing but good things to say. Yep. He likes to stay pumped too. He's always got those little small shirts on.
Jesus Christ, yeah, he's a Hulk, man.
Big shout out to William Taylor in Charlotte. I can't say enough good things. He's a shop, but he's a friend. I could call him, kind of like you said with Sharif. Yeah. I could call William at 1 in the morning. He would probably answer the phone. I come right now. What's going on, Joey? What's up? And I would say, hey, I've got a problem. And he would drop what he's doing to help me out.
And I mean, for the most part, honestly, it drives like a stock car would. I thought
we're sitting here driving and talking and
yeah, I can hear you. It's not obnoxiously loud or anything. The comfort is still there, just like my car. And you are actually in race mode on the suspension, which is wow.
Yeah, it's kind of a habit.
Nice,
just in case. So if you're wanting to do a roll, guys, all you do in mine is you want to put it in manual mode, and then 1 equals M. So it'll put it in manual mode. 6 16 miles an hour. Probably get it up, switch it up. But second gear would be good. So I don't switch gears anymore. I keep it in manual.
Okay.
It'll auto switch gears for me.
Same here.
So whenever we get around this corner one more time, I think we're about good. Well, we'll do 30 since there's a car behind us. I just hit cancel and I hold it.
Oh my God. That was instant, man.
So there's your real quick. That was actually a 30 to 130.
I need that in my life. I need that like tonight. Sharif, man, you're gonna hate me, bro, on the Saturday, but I'm gonna call you. You gotta figure that. Oh my God. So that's like full, what, 40 PSI just there? Probably less because you're on
less.
map
I'm only
3.
on map 3. So yeah, that was you can hear the turbo spool up.
Yes.
And when I'm holding cancel, the car doesn't go anywhere. It's pulling the turbos all the way up. And then all I do is release it. When I release it, we're gone.
Imagine map 8 on that. Just imagine.
You can't breathe. You can't.
My God.
It's map 6 when it just was still spinning.
Map 6 was spinning.
Yeah, map 6 was spinning. So when you look out the window,
yeah,
it's hard to make out what you're looking at. Let's see how she's gonna launch. We're found a pretty good straightaway. No traffic, so we're being safe.
Right, yeah. Closed course. So
closed it all, and we'll launch it from here.
oh my God, dude. Did you not panic right there?
No.
What kind of brakes you got on this?
Believe it or not, there's stock brakes.
All right, give me a second, because I can't even talk. I thought you were going to lose. I'm not going to lie. If it was me, I was probably going to be in the grass over there, man.
No, I knew when to stop. I've just been in my car so long that I knew when to stop.
You got through, what, 2 gears?
Yeah,
3?
2, I believe. I'd have to look back. But yeah, it didn't really.
Oh my
it
God,
honestly
man.
didn't really kick in a whole. That was actually a bad launch.
What?
Yeah.
I'm good with the bad launch, man. Joey, once again, man, thank you so much, dude. The most down-to-earth guy I've ever met, I swear. Most people are stuck up. They don't want to even talk to you. But this is amazing. I can't wait to see it in car meets.
Well, I appreciate it. And I said I'll do my best. And
yes.
Before anybody comments, I'm going to say in the car, if I said anything wrong, I'm sorry. So look, I'm like, well, this is wrong. I did my best to say everything correct.
Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect, but this is amazing. Guys, if you enjoyed this comment, definitely drop a like, drop a subscription. I'm going to post, well, he doesn't have Instagram or anything, but I am going to post his dealership, location, address. Guys, check this out. I mean, you got to see this in person. I hope he comes out to one of the car meets. If you're there, guys, touch the car. I mean, just look at it if you can. Look at the blue, like in the shade. It's like a dark, milky blue almost, but then as soon as the sun hits it, it just turns purple. I don't know if the camera's even doing this justice. Probably not, but oh God, look at this. Look at all the metallic flake in that paint. See, in the camera it's purple, but I swear to you, it's so blue right now. Oh my goodness, man. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy your lives, enjoy your cars, enjoy your friends, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.